Okay, we're going to head to the Alpine stand. See what's happening with the new A110. Looks good, but how they've implemented it with, I'm not sure if it's full battery or if it's hybrid, but we will go and check it out.
The A110R.
Okay, so that was a fail. The new electric, hybrid, whatever version is not on the Alpine stand. It is on the First Glance stand, which is conveniently just over here. So let's try that. So here we are, Alpine A110, the future. So this is just a mule. You can see it's heavily taped up. The rear arches are a lot wider than the current model. So this is full electric, twin batteries, so the batteries are still sat behind the driver, so mid-engine, mid-motor in this case, the same layout as you'd get on the current version of it. So that's obviously going to give the same degree of handling of a mid-engine layout, but what the weight does to the car, as we know, the existing generation is what, 1100 kilos, so they don't actually give us a predicted dry weight of the car here, other than 800 volts, mid-engined or mid-motored, the same as the current gen. But hard to tell, because as we say, this is, well, as they call it, a mule, so we don't really know how close these body panels are, but the layout is the same. It looks the same, other than, as I say, the wider arches and some flarings on the front. But yeah, a shame. I think we were expecting to see the unveiling of at least something close to production. I think it's harder with this to know just how close it's going to be. But still, it looks good. They obviously haven't moved away from the DNA of, well, I say the DNA, but the looks and the layout of the current generation. It's all locked up. We can't even take a look. See if we can find someone to open it up. But interior is much the same as the existing.